Hi, I'm Gardener Scott. Many gardeners who grow garlic are missing out on a wonderful and delicious benefit of growing garlic. Join me as I show you how to harvest and use garlic scapes. There are two different types of garlic that you'll grow in your home garden: soft neck and hard neck. The garlic that you buy in the grocery store is almost always a soft neck variety. But hard neck varieties come in wonderful flavors and colors and sizes and are really something that you should consider trying in your garden. Another benefit of the hard neck varieties of garlic is the scape that develops about a month before the garlic itself is ready to harvest. This is the garlic that most people visualize growing in a garden. Long, straight leaves. And that's true for this soft neck variety. Hard neck garlics have the same leaves, but they also have this developing flower bud called a scape. And the stalk runs all the way down into the bulb. It gradually hardens, which is why it's called a hardneck variety. To harvest the scapes, it's really a simple matter of just grabbing it and separating it from the main plant. A tug and a pull is all that's needed to pull it from the plant. I do recommend that you grasp the garlic so that you don't inadvertently pull the whole bulb out of the ground, but just to pull, tug, and you now have scapes ready to take to the kitchen. The tug method works great if you just have a few scapes to harvest, but if you have a big bed and want to harvest a lot of scapes, I use pruners. The pruners really make the job go very quickly. Each garlic plant will have one scape, so you know exactly how many scapes you have to harvest based on how many plants you have in a particular bed. And using the cut method really makes it go quickly, so you can harvest exactly what you need for whatever recipe you're using them. After you've harvested the scapes and brought them into your kitchen, go ahead and give them a good wash. They're probably covered with dust in addition to whatever any birds and insects might have left behind. As you look at the scapes, there's a relatively easy way to determine how tender they are. The youngest scapes will have a really nice tight curl. That's what you're looking for. Older scapes will already have started to straighten out. The curl won't be as pronounced. As the scape matures on the plant, it'll actually straighten up. And the straightening process will actually cause a lot of fibers to grow, and it will be a much tougher and chewier scape. But if you can harvest while they're young, this will give you the opportunity to have the most tender scape when you cook it or use it in whatever your plan is. There's no limit to how you can plan to use garlic scapes. You can use them just like you would green onions or scallions. Chop them up, sprinkle them on a soup, put them in a sauce, put them in a salad. You can even use the scapes as a garnish. I like to take the scapes and make a garlic scape pesto. Now, pesto can be spread on bread or mixed with any type of pasta that you'd like. You could use it as a sauce over fish or chicken. For a lot of scapes that I have left over, I like to make garlic scape pickles. They're a nice sour crunch with just a little bit of garlic flavor. However you think you can use garlic, you could use garlic scapes for a much more subtle flavor. If you think onions are a little too strong, try using garlic scapes anytime that the recipe calls for onions. Garlic scapes. With a little creativity or a little substitution, they're a nice thing to try in the kitchen. And if you're growing hardneck garlic varieties, make sure you don't lose out on this wonderful topper. There you have it, how to harvest and how to use garlic scapes. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know below. If you haven't subscribed to the Gardener Scott channel, feel free to do so. And if you like this video, you can give me a thumbs up and share it. I'm Gardener Scott. Enjoy gardening.